HRA Switchgear, an electrical engineering company, was established in 2010. Since its inception, Mr. Furqanur Rahman, the founder and CEO, has been committed to continuous and sustainable development, both in the services we provide to our clients and the way in which we provide them. We offer creative and thoughtful services to our clients and technical, rigorous solutions to their business challenges and concerns. The design work and on-site engineering is carried out on the state-of-the-art computer systems using AUTOCAD, EPLAN software, as well as in-house built ERP system, allowing us to produce excellent documentation for each individual project. The team of supervisors are led passionately, focusing on the efforts of setting goals, quality process of development and analysis of achievement. When problems occur, we prefer to discuss such matters to develop a solution taking into account delivery and cost. At HRA Switchgear, we encourage them to keep an open mind about changes to the work process for improvement. The experience and expertise of our staff prove to be a major benefit to our clients. We specialize in the manufacturing, modification, and maintenance of switchboards, motor control centers, and PLC DDC-based control panels. HRA Switchgear takes pride to have a dedicated team of professionals with a vast industry experience in the switchgear and control panel engineering. Our vision is to grow ourselves into a one-stop engineering and switchboard manufacturing company, which can offer a high degree of value. Our labor ensures the highest standard of workmanship. Our products undergo strict quality checks to be cleared for approval. The impeccable quality credentials guarantee complete safety to our end users. The machines being used are high-tech imported machineries to ensure the efficiency, minimum wastage, and optimum results. The process of switchgear production, from fabrication, cutting, bending process, welding, pre-treatment to the finishing of the material. Our company is staffed with a dedicated and diligent team of employees who are multi-skilled and highly experienced in problem solving. The management's philosophy is to continuously invest in our people through skills training and providing our employees with a well-equipped, comfortable working environment that nurtures growth in an individual. The supply chain department at HRA ensures to provide best material resource planning with dedicated skills of timely procurement of the raw material, which benefits the flow of manufacturing process. Our highly skilled technical staff has detail-oriented working style, which is facilitated by uniformity throughout the staff members and availability of resources. The system of vendors, raw material, direct and indirect both, and the data required to source, produce, and deliver products to customers is increasingly complex. Well-thought, pre-decided, and approved budgets serve as an effective benchmark for monitoring and delivering what has been promised. The decisions made in the planning stage have long-range implications and are crucial to a firm's success. They work out strategies to increase production output and ensure that customer orders are completed on time. We ensure the best practice of time management via controlling the product line schedules with the in-house built software. The designing of panels, cutting, bending, and are done via in-house built software and high-end automated machineries under the supervision of skilled labor following all safety protocols. These machines are being operated after complete technical training. The environment at the company is maintained with the best exhaust system, keeping the workplace amiable to all of our associates. The electrical assembling of switchboards and panels are done with the defined machineries to ensure the least wastage and ideal product. HRA aims in achieving and maintaining the highest quality of products, conforming to national and international standards while achieving the cost effectiveness and efficiency in its operations. The product line, once completed, is rechecked by our expert technical team to evacuate any sort of fault until it's said all correct, assuring the optimum quality products to our valuable clients. HRA makes sure the environment for employees is encouraging and engaging. They are high performers with an appetite to contribute better each day. We celebrate, rejuvenate, and innovate, celebrating success, diversity, and efforts through recreational activities. In our care circle, we ensure our workers are healthy. Regular free-of-cost medical checkups are held for all employees. A team that is healthy, happy, and proactive.